everyone, our today's question is the ground state term symbol and the calculated magnetic moment in Bohr magneton for dysprosium plus 3 ion respectively are. For dysprosium, atomic number is 66 and its electronic configuration is xenon 4f10 6s2, and dysprosium plus 3 electronic configuration is xenon 4f9 and 4s2, 2 electron removed from s orbital and 1 electron removed from f orbital. So this is the electronic arrangement in f orbital. Now to find the term symbol 2s plus 1 L and J, where 2s plus 1 is spin multiplicity. So first of all, find the value of s, spin angular momentum. Here 5 unpaired electron, so the value of s is equal to 5 by 2. The orbital angular momentum L is equal to 5. J is equal to L plus S to L minus S, but here the f orbital is more than half filled, so let's consider L plus S. So our value of L is 5 plus 5 by 2 is equal to 15 by 2. Now 2s plus 1 is spin multiplicity, so 2 into s plus 1, so it's 6. So our term symbol is 6. Here the value of L is equal to 5, so its symbol H, and the value of J is equal to 15 by 2. Now to find the magnetic moment, first of all let's calculate the gyromagnetic ratio. G is equal to 1 plus J into J plus 1 plus S into S plus 1 minus L into L plus 1 divided by 2J into J plus 1. Now put the value of J, L and S in this equation and we get the answer G is equal to 4 by 3. Now the magnetic moment mu is equal to G into under root J into J plus 1. Substitute the value of G and J in this equation. So the magnetic moment is 10.645 Bohr magneton. So our correct answer is this is our term symbol and magnetic moment.